Getting ready for landing, ops 4 heading out right now.
Now you hear
Right, you can, well, you can't really see it, but you can hear it. Oh, yeah, it's coming now.
You're gonna go right into it,
Yeah, that's what she said. Yeah.
Get off the fence in a minute. So for you, plane will be coming in and landing over here. So it's going all the way around.
Alright, now we know where it's landing, so I can get a good shot. Right, I'm gonna cut in that. Right where it's like where, right turning landing. Shut up. Right. It's like where, landing. Oh, it's down. It's down. It has landed. Now it's down on the ground. That's the end of today's video. Bye.
Down there, is it?
No, actually, the end of today's videos. Okay. Was just taxiing back to the hangar, getting fuel till the other passengers get off. Well, the passengers get off first and run out of fuel, get maintenance for the next flight. That's it, I think. Well, it is a white layer coming to get the passengers off. Here, alright. Probably having trouble hearing me. See the passengers getting off in a second. And yeah, I'll cut it now. Actually, no, not cutting it. Right, I'm cutting it right now. Right, that's turning off the engines. You'll see the people get out. We'll cut it. Oh, that's the end of today's video.